This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, so load the sample data here. So again, today I am going to be explain you that what is a drill through option. What is a drill through option? At the same time, I will explain you that what is a hierarchy again, how it will be work. Okay, so let me going to select my financial data, which is sample data, which we have it here. Okay, load data. Okay, click on load data. Okay, we have that data. So how can we hierarchy of that? Use us to see the data in a single visualization, and we can go for create hierarchy now, dimension fields, so whichever the dimensions we have it. So by default, Power BI will create a hierarchy for the date dimension. You can see that there's a date field where I have the hierarchy for year, quarter, month, day. So the symbol, it represents that the particular field is getting aggregated. So I don't want to aggregate my year. Select the year field and go for see that. Select the year field and insert. It's not sure. When I select this year field, automatically we can get change it here. But the aggregation disagree will be there, disaggregate. So non-summarized data. Why it's not showing for us? Okay. Let me click on another field. Country I have it support. See that when I select here, we have the summarization. Don't summarize option would be there. So similarly for here, why it's not showing? When I select the year field, so let me check that hierarchy. Yeah, do one thing. It's part of hierarchy, right? That's why it's not showing that. So go for year field. In the bottom, we have the year separate field is there. Just go for we have the some default aggregation rule. Don't summarize. Okay, I don't want to aggregate this particular year field. Uh, that's why I'm removing that summation here. Okay, default it will be the numbers by default it will show that aggregating. Okay, and month number also, I don't want the month number also to be aggregated. Select the month number as well, and remove that don't summarize option. Select that don't summarize. Okay, right. So can we see that now we have that year, quarter, month and day. So this is all there in the part of hierarchy. These are all the values are there in the part of by default. Power BI will create a hierarchy for the date. Even if it is not created, then you need to go for create the hierarchy for it. Year is the highest level, next quarter, month, day. So how we can create the hierarchy generally? We can go for right mouse on the field, create hierarchy, create hierarchy. Okay, click on create hierarchy. See here I have one more hierarchy here. Year is there. What are the fields we required? It month, number, quarter. We want that all the parts of the dates. Okay, just drag that month number into the, or you can go for select that particular field and add to hierarchy. Add to hierarchy, year hierarchy. Click on the year hierarchy. It will add into the hierarchy. See that? So that is simple way we can create the hierarchy. Using the hierarchy, we can drill into the detailed level of data in a single visualization, and we can get that summarized as well. Drill down and drill up. We can go and drill down into the detail level. At the same time, we back to the drill up level. I summarize data into the single visualization. Let's see that how we can go for bring the data here. Okay, just remove this filter, remove this, and now I want to create a visualization with hierarchy. Just select the year, just to select the year and discounts, yearly discounts, which we have it here. Select that into bar chart. Select that into the bar chart. Okay. Do you have that each year wise? How was the sales? Each year wise, how was the sales? Okay. So here we selected only year. Remove this. Drag the hierarchy into it. Drag the hierarchy into it. Okay. Drag the hierarchy into it. So when you drag the hierarchy into it, you can see here. Go to the next level in the hierarchy. Okay. Expand all downs one level in the hierarchy. Okay, click turn on to the drill down. If you want to go for click turn on to the drill down, just click on it. You are turn on to the drill down. I want to go for detail level. So I am in now year level sales. I can able to see that year level of data. Right. I want to drill down into the next level. Click on it. You can go with the quarter level data. Each quarter wise. Each quarter wise. What is the sales? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. What is the sales happening in that each quarter wise? Okay, when I go for click on quarter 4, you can see that what are the months belongs to quarter 4? October, November, December. October, November, December wise, how was the sales is there? And if we click on any one of the month, click on month, you can navigate to that. What are the days are there in that month? What is the sales of it? Okay, we can drill into the detail level in a single visualization using the hierarchy. You want to drill up back. Drill up means going to the summarized data. Go back to the months and quarters and year. Okay, so these options can be enabled when you create a hierarchy. When you create a hierarchy, then only these are all options you can get it. Okay, click on it. Okay, so can you see that all the information about that? So what is this two options here? Okay, Okay, what is this two options? Here you can go to the next level in the hierarchy and expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Okay, go to the next level. Suppose if you click on this, if you click on this, go to see this quotas belongs to that. Other than this option, you can go back. So click on the particular bar. Either you want to go for 2013 or 2014. Click on 2013. 2013 related quarters only you can get it. Q3, Q4. The data related to 2013, we have the Q3 and Q4. That's why we are getting Q3 and Q4. When I go for click on Q4, when I click on Q4, only Q4 related months we can get it. October, November, December. When I go for October, click on October, what are the days are there in that particular month, we can get it here. Okay, specific time frame we can go for it. Which quarter, which month, and which day you have to go for it, you can go for use this option. I want to show that all the months in the hierarchy, all the years, all the days means you can use simply this option, which we have to expand all down on level in the hierarchy. So each year wise information we can get it here. Each year wise information we can get it here. Okay, quarter to in quarter three. 1 second, sorry. Yeah, sorry. So we can get it that each year 2013 quarter 3, 2013 quarter 4 and 14, all the years information we can drill into that. Okay, all the info, not a specific year and quarter and month, not like that. It will go for all the information in the hierarchy we can get it. Click on again, you can see 2013 Q3, 2013 Q4, 2013 Q5 and 14, 15, all the years information we can get it. The months also you can get it here. So all the levels you can drill into that, get the related information in the visualization. Okay, this is the advantage of the hierarchy. This is the advantage of the hierarchy. You can go for drill down into the detail level and drill up into the summary level. In a single visualization, we can bring it. So what is mean by drill through then? What is mean by drill through? That's one of the good feature with a Power BI drill through option. What is mean by drill through? Okay, let's go for see that. Okay, in the drill through we can navigate from one page to other page. We can navigate from one page to other page, and related data we can see in the one visualization to other visualization, and we can see the related data in the other report. Okay, one is the source report would be there and target report would be there. We can travel from source to target, and the related information we can see in the visualization. We can navigate from source to target. So how can we implement that? How can we implement that? So let's create a two visualizations here. Let's create a two visualization. My first visualization I can go for I can say that country, state. Do we have any other information here? Yeah, let me take it as year. Okay, I can take a visualization year level. I can take a visualization at year level. So here I am taking that. Here I am taking that. Field is year, and I want to go for gross sales on each year wise. What is the gross sales on each year wise? Okay, let me take it at this visualization. Okay, so I have the yearly sales. This is, I can say that my source. Just easy to understand it. I am naming it as source. Okay, source visualization. I can create one more visualization in another page that I want to be navigated. Okay, I can name it as target. Okay, target. Right. So I will create one more visualization here with the name of month and gross sales and month name. Okay, so that's I'm getting. So I want to drill through. I want to go for drill through into, so from this visualization to the target visualization. So when you want to perform a drill through onto this page, I want to navigate from the source to target, right? In the target page, in the target page, okay, in the target page, so you have that drill through option, keep all filters, keep all filter option. At the same time, you need to drag a field which you want to go for drill through. Okay, the field is month, right? Month, right? We have the field is called as month name. So just drag the month name into this, add drill through field here, add drill through field here. Okay, you need to drag that month field into this drill through option. Okay, clear this? Simple, 3 steps. First we created source sheet, source page, target page. Where I want to go for drill through, I want to drill through from source to target page. In the target page, I want to come to month level sales. I want to drill through into month level. So drag the month name field into the drill through filter option. Here you need to drag it. Okay, fine. So once you've created this filter here, and before going to that, check that drill through option is enabled in the options or not. You can go with the file, options and settings, options and settings. Okay, go for options, go for options, and report settings. Come to the report settings. Okay, we have allow users to change the filter types, fine. Okay, and cross report drill through, no, we are not using the cross report drill through now. I can explain you the next concept is cross report drill through. Okay, so leave it this blank, personal visualization, that will be fine. Okay, yeah, let's go for check that now. So I created drill through field into the particular filter. Just go with the source now, go with the source, and right mouse on the sheet, right mouse on the sheet. Can we see that drill through option here or not? Can you check that? Can you see that drill through option here or not? It's not enabled. Let's remove this and drag that here field into the, and go back to the source, right mouse, drill through option is enabled. To target, click on target. So can we see that the months which are related to the particular year, October, November, December, September. Okay, related sales we can get it. Okay, related sales we can get it. So go back to the source. We once you click on the drill through, once you drag the element into drill through here, automatically there is a back button generated in this sheet. Back button generated in this particular report. Okay, if you click on this, you can go back to the source sheet. Click on it, control press control and click on it. You can navigate to the sheet source sheet. Okay, right mouse on 2013, drill through target, drill through target. Can you see that? October, November, December, September. Okay, so once you click on that particular visualization and right mouse on the drill through, you can navigate to the target sheet. You can navigate to target sheet and press control and click on the icon, back icon. We can come back to this source sheet. Okay, simple. This is a simple way we can create the drill through option. Can you see this? Okay, so this particular back icon we can customize. So by default we are getting that arrow mark and we can get it. So if you want to customize, it's like you want to add a image for it, And when I click on that image, I want to go back to my source sheet. If we want to set up that, yes, we can do that. Okay, so how can we set up that is, you can go for here, we have the format, format we have insert menu. So click on button, click on button, any one of the button you wanted, you can take it, or you can go for take a image, which image you want to bring that, take that image. Okay, so that image we can go for make it as action. I want to perform an action on this particular image. Enable that action. Where I want to go for that action is back to page navigation. I want to go for navigate to the different page. The page is source page. This is the page, right? Source page I want to be navigated. Okay, so page navigation, destination, you can select it, page one or source. Which page we need to be selected? Source is my destination. Okay, so the format image settings, you can find that page navigation, destination, and something you want to explain in tooltip, you can give it here. Okay, that's all. Once you have done it, just go for control and click on this image. You can navigate to the source page. You can navigate to the source page. Okay, come to the target, and this you can simply drag it and customize the space and size as well. Wherever you want to put it, this image, you can drag it. Remove the button. We don't require it anymore, right? Because we created custom image button. Navigate to that. Navigate to that source page. So press Control and click on the image. You go back to the source page. So this is a simple drill through option. How we can create a simple drill through option. Let's create one more example. Let's see that one more example here. Okay. Go for connect to the new data set. I will take another data set. There is no sufficient data from here. So I can go for connect, home, get data, Excel workbook, go with CSV, sorry, next CSV workbook, and documents, desktop, sample superstores selected. Okay. Okay, take this data, load. Okay, now I want to go with the sample superstores. Let's see that how we can create a hierarchy here. So I have the different fields here. It's like a category, subcategory, and product. These are the different product related information category. Okay, and I have the subcategory. I have the product name related to it. Different types of products. So here categories furniture, subcategories bookcases. We have used amount of data. Okay, furniture, furnishing, and different product names. So can we create the hierarchy? Category is the highest level, subcategory is next level, and product name is the third level. We can go for create hierarchy, and we can use the hierarchy to the related information in the hobby. Okay, so for time being, I'm not creating hierarchy. Later, you can try to create that. Fine. So we can see that how to create a drill through option using this data. Okay, let me go first. I have the state. I can go for state field. Okay, select the state and state wise sales. Okay, put it at bar chart. I don't want to go with and swap it. Okay, I have different states. State wise sales is state wise some of the sales. Let me go for bring that labels. Data color. I want to change it to brightness. Data labels on. Okay, let it be increase the size of the label to understand it. Okay, fine. I have the state wise sales. Next page, I can go for next page. I will create the city wise sales. Each city wise sales I have it. The next page I have the state and city also you can take both also you can take it or only city also you can take it. State and city and city wise sales. State and city wise sales. This is also I want to swap it. Select this one. Let's remove the state, keep it only city. Okay, city and sales I have. So I want to navigate. When I click on the particular state, I want to see that related cities information. If I click on California, okay, California related cities information I want to get it. Okay, right here. So I will go for drill through option. So you can keep all filters on and add drill through field here. I want to drag my drill through field straight into this option. In the target sheet, we need to drag it. In the target sheet, we need to drag it. Okay, so automatically you can get it. See that back button, you can get it here to go back to the source sheet. And page 2, you can go for it. Page 2, you can go for it. Click on any one of the city. I want to go for New York right mouse. New York right mouse. Drill through page 3. My target is page 3. Click on it. Click on it. You can see that the related cities information you can get in the target sheet. Okay, this is a simple drill through how we can create it. Okay, navigating from one sheet to another sheet. Okay, navigating from one sheet to another sheet. So then what do you mean by cross drill through? What is the option of uh, cross report drill through? Cross report drill through. So that cross report drill through is the feature in the Power BI. Okay, cross report drill through is the feature in the Power BI. So for that you can navigate when we have the two different sources of data, you want to navigate from one visualization to another visualization in the two different sets of data, you can do that, but there is a specific condition. If that condition is satisfied, yes, we can navigate from one visualization to another visualization. uh, the different data sets are there, different sources are there. Okay, so that's three that allow this space to be used by other reports as a drill through target. Okay, one report to another report we can navigate it, but there is a specific conditions. When that conditions is satisfied, then we can go for perform the drill through. What are the conditions we have it? Okay, so that's we can see it, and how we can go for set up the drill through option. Okay, so first what we need to check the target sheet. We need to set the target sheet, and second one is turn on to the cross report. We need to be turn on the cross report toggle. And third one, select the field to drill through. What is the field you want to go for drill through on? Simple. Let me show you that. First, you can go for create your target sheet. Okay, I have the customer name here. I have the different customer names, right? Select the customer name. These are the customer names I have it, right? These are all the different customer names. And I can take it one more card here. I will take the card. This is the customer name. Okay. And age of the customer. One more card I can take it as. Uh, do you have any field with that? Age of the customer kind of thing. So what information we have related to customer? Customer ID is there. Take the customer ID. Okay. And one more card I can take it here. One more card. Okay. Customer city. Customer city. Let's take one more card related to customer information. Okay. And region, segment, and sigma state subcategories, and font is sold by customer. We can bring it, and the customer as okay. So this is all information I put it to my target sheet. So the first condition is if we want to perform the cross drill through, so the field which you have it to activate a cross drill through. So based on one field, we need to be navigate from source to target, right? That field should be there in the both the data sets, both the reports and both the data sets. That field should be there in the both the data sets, and name should be same, table name should be same. So name of the field should be same and table name should be same. Then only the cross drill through function will be work. Then only the cross drill through function will be work. Okay. So the field which we are taking here is customer name. I am taking the customer name is as a drill through. Customer name is as drill through. At the same time, I need to enable the cross drill through option here. I need to enable that cross report drill through option enable. Okay. So I created my target sheet. This is my target sheet. Okay. This is my target sheet. I can go for source sheet. This is I can say that rename. Okay. Rename target for cross report drill through. Okay. This is my cross report drill through. I want to create a source sheet, right? Let's take that page 3. We have something here. Remove, keep it as it is. I can go for create a source sheet. So here I can take it as customer names. Okay. Customer IDs. Okay. So I need to put the customer name in both the sheets. And at the same time, customer name and customer name should be matched in the both the visualizations. Okay. So let me take like this. Okay. And one more thing we need to check it. Go with the target cross report drill through. Uh, Select this page. Okay. Select this page and go with the file options and settings. Options. I want to enable that cross report drill through option for this particular visualization. Okay. Go for here report settings, cross report drill through. Allow visualization in this report to use drill through target from the other reports. So from other report we can it will be allow us to drill through. Click OK. Click OK. Okay, come to the page 4. Okay, from the page 4. One more important thing, in the source sheet, in the source page, you should not enable the cross report option. One point you need to remember that in the cross report, you should not be enable this cross report filter option in the source. At the same time, select this sheet, okay. Try to check right mouse on it, click on drill through, target for cross report drill through. Okay. Can you see that? Adrian Hain, what is the first name and array and total quantity he bought it? And go back to that. Press control, go back to it and select another user. Which user you want to select? LX7. Okay, right mouse entity LX7. Drill through target for cross drill through. Can we see that? LX7 and what is the first name and what is the first city and quantity of keyboard. So this is nothing but a cross report drill through. Cross report drill through. But there is a specific conditions you should be follow. This cross drill through can be defined at Power BI desktop level and Power BI server level as well. Okay, nothing to worry. This setup we can do that. At the same time, you need to go for a set of conditions. Those can be followed. What is the main conditions you need to be follow is this. Select the drill through option. Both reports should have the same table name and column name origin the target. So both the tables which you are taking that for the cross report drill through, the both the table names and field names should be matched. Then only it will be work. And go to options and setting. You need to enable that cross report option, cross drill through option here. Report setting and select the cross report setting. And origin report table name and field names should be not be select cross report option. For the source, you should not be enable that. Again, need to go through options and settings and select that cross report settings. And two reports should be in the same spot. Two reports should be in the same spot. Suppose if you publish into the server level, those should be in the same location. Then only the cross report drill through can be worked. Okay, this is the points we need to be remember that when we are going to enable that cross report drill through. Cross report drill through. Clear that? Clear that? How to set up that? Okay. So next, so this is the one option is drill through and cross report drill through option. Two options we have it. We can navigate from one sheet to another sheet, and we can navigate to the detail level. Okay, from one visualization to another visualization. And we have one more option. I will show you that. So when I have a report like this, I have a category and sales or profit. You can take it anywhere. Profit. Each category wise profit I have it. I want to go for a pie chart. I want to go for a pie chart. Can we see this? So here I want to be enable that. When I put my mouse over, can we see that there is a black pop-up window is opening? Category technology profit is this much, and category office supplies profit is this much, and category furniture office profit is this much. That's a pop-up window. Black pop-up window is opening. That is nothing but a tooltip. That is nothing but a tooltip. The pop-up we are getting from the tooltip option. The pop-up we are getting from the tooltip option. Can we put a visualization on the tooltip? I want to bring a visualization from the tooltip. Can we bring that? Yes. we can go for bring the visualization for the tooltip as well. So how can we bring that visualization for tooltip? How can we bring that visualization for the tooltip? Okay, just it's a details, it's showing that category furniture profit, but I want to bring that visualization on tooltip. Let me go for create new page. Let me go for create new page. Once you created a new page, go with a format option. Go with a format option. Click on the format. Okay, you can see the page information, page size, page background, page alignment, wallpaper, filter pane, filter codes, all right. Go with the page information. Go with the page information. I can make it as tooltip visualization. Okay, so go for enable the tooltip option here. Enable the tooltip option. Okay, enable the tooltip option. Now you can see this is the tooltip page. Tooltip page. What are the page you can read? Tooltip page. On top of this visualization, I want to go for pie chart, donut chart. Okay. In the donut chart, I want to bring that subcategory wise sales. In donut chart, I want to bring that subcategory wise sales. So where is my sales field? Go for select that. Okay. Each and every subcategory can be represented in a related sales. Okay. Can you see this? Now, now I want to bring this tooltip into the my page 5. I want when I go for page 5. Okay, when I click on particular category, I want to bring the tooltip pop up here. I want to bring the tooltip pop up here. Okay, so how I can get that? So I set up that I created one visualization which I want to show in a tooltip. All right, I can go for page 5. I can go for page 5 format and page information. Okay, not at page information, sorry, select the report. Okay, select the report and report format. Okay, let's go for tooltip. Okay, so when you go for tooltip, type report page or page auto, something we have it, right? Go for that and report page, select the report page and page name. What is the page you want to show? The tooltip visualization. My page name is tooltip information. You need to select the report. From the report format, we have the tooltip option. Enable the tooltip and type is report page. Default or report page. Report page, I can select it. Which page you want to get show in the tooltip. Tooltip visualization. I given the name as tooltip visualization. Then now we can see that when I select the particular category, there is a pop-up window we are getting and it's showing that different subcategories related to that. So phones and missions, accessories, copies are related to this particular category. In the pop-up window showing my separate visualization. Can you go for check that? So if I click on my sales by category, which is showing that chairs, tables, bookcases, and furniture. Related information we can get. So this is the good feature, the tooltip. I can bring that page into the tooltip and I can showcase here. I can bring that into the visualization. So what are the settings you want to go for tooltip? You can go for setup size of tooltip. You can reduce that. Okay, font size, font you want it to be. You can reduce that font and background color. Which one you want it? You can go for that background color you want it. Transparency, all the things we can set. Was it clear? Any question? Yeah, this is a one good advantage with the tooltip visualization. You can bring the tooltip visualization. Okay. Yeah, try to work on these three things. One is drill through and cross report drill through and tooltip, how we can bring the visualization. It's very important. Okay, and it's very much useful when you go for developing a visualization. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. We can resume tomorrow, we can go for start more detail about any important things at visualization level, and we can go for DAX functions. Okay.